Putting in long hours to create, curate, generate content is not something new for me, as prior to this full-time content creation sojourn, I was a senior engineering leader in the software industry. With an experience of about 19 years and solid grounding in computer science, along with executive programs from IIT Roorkee and IIM Kashipur, I was quite well placed in my own industry. I have worked with top software brands like Yahoo, Symantec, Huawei, Oracle, Atos, and also won awards and recognitions from Google, Microsoft, Accenture, Societe Generale, TechGig, and Exebia. At this middle age, I decided to move to content creation due to a mix of circumstances and interest. Now, with my basic introduction provided above, I would like to move to the finer grain details of how I create content. Before that, I request you to take note that my channel is a AI-driven variety or general interest channel. Its aim is to provide knowledge, fun and entertainment on a diverse range of topics like cricket, travel, spirituality, mystery, history, technology, trending topics, cricket prediction and analysis, among others. It has a strong central focus on state-of-the-art artificial intelligence tools providing content such as AI-generated videos, animation, music and movies. My original process of content creation is called as pivot. P. Planning and prioritization, the initial concept and strategic planning phase. I. Innovation in design, brainstorming, designing and refining creative solutions. V. Vision in execution, workbench, execution, self-feedback and refinement. O. Optimization and validation, testing, fine-tuning, final adjustments, production. T. Transformation in delivery, the final output, launch or sharing of the content. The very first phase is planning and prioritization. Herein, I come up with a list of ideas and then prioritize the ideas. This entire planning is done with use of a project management tool, Zoho Projects. Apart from this, the use of Windows Word, Notepad, sticky notes is for purposes of various notes, mind maps, and any documentation. At the end of this phase, I have the timelines, tasks, and milestones, and any subtasks. It also includes prioritization of identified tasks. The next phase is innovation in design. Herein, I write the script for my video. I also might start collating all the content that I already have with me, like original images, videos, audio, and any music that were either shot on camera or created by me. The script writing involves research using Google Search, Encyclopedia, ChatGPT, and books. At the end of this, I have ready script, images, videos, audio, and music. Another phase that is optional and for use only for travel, food, or live coverage is field execution. In this case, using my two-wheeler, chest camera, helmet camera, I go about creating further original content. The camera that is used here includes cameras on my mobile Google Pixel 3 XL and Black Shark 2 Pro. It also includes a collar mic. Some of the times, I may use a tripod stand and panel light to create a studio out of my workstation. At the end of this phase, I have raw footage, audio, and images. The next phase is vision in execution. During this time, I use AI tools like videoexpression.ai, Suno.ai, Rivet.ai, and imaging tools like Photo. I workbench during this time in Microsoft Clipchamp, and I use Google Cloud Storage to terabits plan for secure storage of all my work and production artifacts. The hardware in use is my laptop, Lenovo Y700, additional Acer monitor. This is the phase where all of it comes together. Script, images, videos, audio, music, AI images, AI audio, AI video, AI music. They are brought to a deliverable state, painstakingly working on the workbench. At the end of this phase, we have a ready deliverable content video for my YouTube channel. The next phase is optimization and validation. During this time, testing is done of the ready artifact to see how well it meets the original plan or design. Verification is also done to make sure that things are correct. At the end of this phase, we have a production-capable content for my YouTube channel. During this time, any possible branding, optimization, fine-tuning, final adjustments in coloring, sound, logos, text, and backup of ready content is performed. At the end of this, we have a production-ready content and a standardized thumbnail for my YouTube channel. During this phase, we also keep ready the social media post content for LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Also, any content that will be posted on WhatsApp is ready to inform of the video release across groups. The last phase is transformation in delivery. Herein, the actual output is uploaded to YouTube along with SEO optimizations in title, description, hashtag, keywords. The tools used are Chrome, Google Trends, ChatGPT. Copyright claims are verified and either they are corrected or disputes raised. Once there are no more copyright claims, the content is considered delivered without issues or claims. It is under constant monitoring to improve its performance, viewership, reachability. Also, keywords, description, and title may be tweaked. YouTube promotion is used to make sure that there is better reachability of the video, to increase subscriber base, and to make sure that we are able to target our niche audience better. A dynamic YouTube channel buzzing with engaging content. Welcome to a YouTube channel that never stops buzzing with exciting, thought-provoking, and informative content across multiple domains. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a travel lover, a mystery seeker, a sports fanatic, or someone who enjoys spiritual and religious insights, this channel has something for everyone. At its core, the channel integrates artificial intelligence, AI, and cutting-edge AI tools to create unique and compelling content across various genres, exploring AI-powered creativity. AI is at the heart of several content series on this channel, blending technology with entertainment, music, spirituality, and storytelling. For instance, AI Dukebox delivers AI-generated songs and music videos, offering a fresh take on digital creativity. First.ai, Freedom of India via Revolutionary Struggle.ai, uses AI to reimagine the stories of India's independence movement, bringing history to life in a novel way. AI in Bhakti leverages AI-generated content to create spiritual and religious prayers, appealing to those seeking a digital-age connection with tradition. Hindi Stories presents AI-generated short stories in Hindi, adding a unique, futuristic twist to classic storytelling. A journey through mysteries, history, and travel. For those who love unraveling hidden truths, Enigma, exploring new insights on great and ancient mysteries, dives deep into unsolved mysteries and historical wonders. Meanwhile, travel lovers can explore the world through Photo Slideshow, which showcases stunning travel destinations with background music. APAD, A Plays a Day, featuring a new tourist location daily, taking viewers on a virtual global adventure. DD Travel Day, offering a personal vlog-style look at a single day from the creator's travel experiences. Keeping up with technology and trends. Tech lovers and knowledge seekers will find Tech Speak and T-Shot, Techula Shots, invaluable for digesting quick, insightful discussions on trending technical topics. Meanwhile, Trending keeps viewers informed with short, timely updates on the hottest news stories, cricket, predictions, and more. Sports lovers, especially cricket fans, will enjoy Top 10, which compiles the most breathtaking shots from legendary batsmen. Meanwhile, Forecast is an acronym which is really a cricket analysis series, takes an analytical approach to cricket predictions, breaking down team form, conditions, and strategies for a data-driven perspective on the game. A one-stop destination for engaging content. This YouTube channel is not just a platform, it's an experience, offering a mix of AI-driven innovation, entertainment, knowledge, and spiritual insights. Whether you're looking for AI-generated creativity, historical mysteries, cutting-edge tech talks, travel experiences, or trending news, there's always something new to explore.